You are entering an age where we are attacked by scams day in and day out. We have a project right now who's going to launch projects while defending your investments. Defense Launch. And from Defense Launch, we have RODRIGO LYRA joining us today. RODRIGO, welcome.
Hi, Martynas. Thank you so much. How are you?
I'm great, specifically because I'm sick and tired of getting scammed, and I'm really interested in investing in early projects, and I heard that your project can actually help me do so.
Yeah. I am really tired of getting scammed too. That's around 6 years that I have been scammed, and we just wish that it would be over in the future.
Yeah, 6 years is a good. You're a solid veteran of getting scammed, and I assume that's why you guys thought that, hey, enough is enough.
So Defense Launch is a 100% scam-free ICO launch platform, and we aim to eliminate totally the rug pulls that is a chronic problem in the crypto market.
100%. 100%. How are you able to do this? You're blowing my mind.
To do a platform fully 100% free of scams, we are implementing our compliance team that will just double check every single project of every single doxed developer in the world that will try to launch with our platform. So when a dev come to us with an idea, he will just have to follow our strict process of double checking with all the compliance team to understand if this project is reliable, if he is truly doxed, if the main idea of the project solves any problem in the real world. So we will just double check if everything is good to this developer become partner of Defense. So this is something important. We will have to be partner with the developer or with the company that will try to launch with us. Yes.
Interesting. So you have to have skin in the game, and it allows you to look at their books and figure out, yeah, these guys are definitely legit or not legit, and you'll inform the community, I assume.
Yes, perfect.
Nice. So you're like launching bouncers, so to speak.
And that's a warning to all the scammers around the world. If you are a scammer and you try to launch with us, if you try to send to us some project, some brilliant project, just to enjoy our platform and just to be something part of your plan, don't do that, because we will double check and we will verify you. And if your project seems scam, we will put you in our blacklist, and it will be showed to every single people in our ecosystem.
Amazing. Now, RODRIGO, how did you come up with this? So I understand you yourself got scammed, but was that the gist of it? Is that why you guys dedicated your hard-earned money and time in order to create your own launchpad?
Around one year ago, me and my partner, we always invested together in many crypto projects in the beginning. So we were always looking for ICOs, and even the brilliant ones, that with a good team, with a good evaluation, with a good main idea, even those projects, they end up by being scam. So we have invested more than $2 million, and we lost that.
Oh God, that's a lot of money. Oh God,
a lot of money.
Yeah.
So one day we came up together and we just said, no more. I won't fall for scams anymore. So what do you think, bro? Well, of us doing a platform fully free of scams.
Yeah.
So
I like the fact that two guys just got sick and tired of it and did it themselves. Most great companies start that way. Oh, we can do better, you know.
Yeah.
That's great. And actually, basically, the way you guarantee that the project is 100% safe. So one, you guys have skin in the game. So basically, a project needs to. Number two, you basically have a strong compliance team. And number three, you have rigid standards for who can enter. So what are some of those standards if it's a project that would like to come into
Perfect.
the
Perfect.
yeah,
In the first step, we are building our own blockchain with our own technology, free of scams. So we have implementing the FGO to our platform. So the FGO is like a guarantee fund that will be the fund to guarantee every single development of every project launched in our platform. So our technology, our smart contract will be redirecting 2% of every single transaction done in our own blockchain to feed forever the FGO. So forever this FGO will be growing and growing and growing, just to be fully prepared to unforeseen events that could happen. So
I'm trying to figure this out. So basically, you have this on your website. Basically, you hold some of those funds and that you release them not at the exact same time. Could you just help me wrap my head around this?
That's something very interesting because all these years we just checked that every developer that was putting scams in the market, they just wanted to rug pull everyone, just take the money, and we never heard about them anymore. So this problem with scams had to be solved, and we were thinking about it, how to solve it, and the main point to solve this problem is taking the custody of the funds of every single project launched with us. So when we put an ICO in our platform to be live, all the funds that will come to defense by this ICO will be everything in our hands. We will have a wallet, a specific wallet to each project, and we will be releasing these funds to the company or to the developer behind the project only if he or it follows the steps reviewed in the white paper roadmap. So
that's cool. So people don't. So even if it's a very young company, young developers who might, have second thoughts, whoever, but you guys are there as essentially like a Fort Knox and saying, look, you have to do your job and only then do you get your money. It's nice.
Yeah. And another interesting thing is that we will get a lot of developers or companies trying to pay us to just release their ICO. So that will never going live with us, because we won't have accept money to release some project. By our compliance team, we have to choose only the most promising projects that we truly believe. So if we double checked and everything is okay, we became partners. So we will only be launching in our platform projects that we are partners.
So I have something written here. So basically, you guys are able to have this hybrid DeFi protocol. You have a kick-ass, compliance team. So if I understand correctly, you have to have the ability, the methodology to pick out what is a great ICO. So what do you look for? How can our viewers at home, for example, learn from you, from your experience? What makes a great ICO? Do you have any tips?
Yeah. First of all, the team has to be fully doxed. If you are watching an ICO goes live and everyone came to talk about it in all the groups, in all Telegram groups, and you don't even see who is behind the project, just go away. Because this anonymous way of treating crypto investments is what the scammers most like, because they just rug pull you and go away, and no one knows who they were.
So anonymity is not your friend in this case.
Yes, perfect. You have to be able to see the fully team behind the project.
So let's just say the scammers have the team, right? So they got the pictures from LinkedIn or they faked accounts, etc. Let's just say they did that. What's another tip? How can we spot fake ICO?
Yes, because scammers has been doing that for many years now. They just pick pictures of people they think it will be good looking to the project, but these people has nothing to do with the project. Exactly. So you have to double check all the social networks. You have to double check the LinkedIn. You have to try to click in the link on the website of the project. So if the link doesn't open, or if you open the link and the LinkedIn account is new, or the Twitter account is new, or the Instagram account is totally new, you just have to be afraid of that.
Great information.
I'm sorry for interrupting you again, but just another important thing about knowing which project is legit or not.
Yeah, please.
Is the partners that the project has the approach. So if you didn't see any partner talking about the project or talking about their team, if you just came to their website, and in the website has many pictures of partners, but these pictures were not touchable. If you cannot open any link, it's probably a scam.
Right. Great words to live by. Any other tips, or are these the main ones?
Other important tips is to check the kind of ICO that is being done with that team. So there's two kind of ICOs: the crowdfund ICO, that is the ICO that our token that will be done through our platform, and the token will be released by time periods like the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, 4, 5 to be released through a year. So that's a type of ICO. Another type of ICO is the ICOs that occurs in the adding liquidity pool to some decentralized exchange, like PancakeSwap. So in PancakeSwap, we watched in this past year a huge growth of scams, because
it's astronomical. I mean,
astronomical.
And DailyCoin, unfortunately, day in, day out, we can just write about scam. Sometimes we just round them up. We could literally do scam every day, scam coin.
Yes, every day, yes. Yes.
And I'm so glad that projects like yours are coming around to combat this. Now, I kind of want to put a pin on it. So essentially, you yourselves do have your own token, then?
Yes. We have the DLT, is Defense Launch Token.
Oh, nice.
In the 50th of September, our token will be in private sale, and to big investors and companies. And it has a limit, a minimum buy of $5,000 of DLTs. Right. So we will be starting our ICO in the 50th of September, and it will end in 27th of November.
Wow, so not a long period at all. So if people are interested, where could they find you on the internet?
Okay, our website is defenselaunch.com. So it's just easy like that. Just put defenselaunch.com and you will find our website and everything about Defense's ICO and every single tier that will be going live.
Yeah. So this has been great, Rodrigo. Could you elaborate just a little bit about? So you have this secure launch. any ICO who wants now choose your project to get legitimacy, right? And basically, could people get a sense of, so you're already live, you're already doing this for a year now, for how long?
Yes, we were planning the launch of our ICO, and we are developing our platform about a year by now.
Yeah.
And we have done and fully completed our white paper with as many details as we needed to put to our investors, and everything is perfectly fine in the white paper, so you can just double check everything that you want.
Nice.
So
essentially, you guys take compliance really seriously, and basically, if people want to see how white paper should be done, they should go to yours.
Yes, perfect.
You can definitely count on me to sip some coffee and try to read it. I'll be honest, these days it's getting harder and harder because the projects, you remember Bitcoin's simple white paper, right? It was quite a quick read. And now you read the white paper, you go, oh.
Yeah, it's like 40 pages now.
Yeah. It's swap this with that. I don't know how many coffees I'll need to read yours, but I think it's a good read for everyone.
No, ours is easy.
Great. I'd like to thank you for the education for our viewers on how to pick a good ICO, and really for all DailyCoin viewers out there, for the viewers in general, please visit their website. And if you want to learn more about Defense Launch, it's defenselaunch.com. So Rodrigo, this was a lot of fun. Hopefully see you soon, and wish you all the best for the ICO.
All the best.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you.